Hi, this is Becky Ivins, leader of the Becky Ivins Real Estate Team and broker of Movers Real Estate Company. Today we're going to be talking about open house. Open house. Interesting concept. We still have a lot of open houses. We do open houses, but we don't always do an open house. So an open house is different than a broker's open. Open house is where you invite the public to come in for a period of time. It's just open for viewing to anybody that happens to come by and want to see the house. It's not a specific appointment. A broker's open is when you invite brokers to come in or other real estate agents to come in and see the house inside. Those are often done in gated communities where it's kind of hard to drive by, or for very unusual or real upper end homes that it's not real easy to do an open house in, but they want the brokers to be able to walk through. Most of the time with the way we do our videos and our virtual tours, you can see a house without doing an open house. I mean, in the middle of the night, you can't sleep, you get on BeckyIvins.com and you go through the videos and you can literally put on your VR goggles and walk through a house, or you can use your smartphone or your mouse on your computer and you can just walk right through a house. You see a door to your left, you walk right into the door to your left and see what's in that room. It's a really cool virtual tour. So you can see most houses without ever going in for an open house. So in that regard, an open house is a pretty old-fashioned way of selling real estate. But open houses are very good for the realtors. Realtors like open houses because there is a chance you can sell your house on an open house, but mostly the realtor gets other sellers that are coming in to check us out to see how we're marketing a property, or we run across buyers that come in that are kind of interested in buying that house or another home. So it's a great lead source for a real estate company to do open houses. It's important to choose the right open house. The right open house is not a very, very unusual property or a very high-end property. Open houses are best when they are more of an average or kind of an average range of price, and where there's other homes for sale. Because if you have a prospective buyer come in and they want a home sort of like the one they're visiting, however, it's got all painted woodwork, well, they're not going to buy that house if they love stained wood. It would just be too costly to change. Or maybe there's too many rooms upstairs. And you can't tell that from the outside of a lot of homes nowadays. So what you do is you pick a property to where there are 3 or 4 or 6 or 7 other homes similar to your open house in the same area or the same school district, same side of town, that kind of thing. So the selection of the open house is really important if you are doing it to pick up prospects to purchase other homes. Be sure yours is not the only home for sale, or else if they don't buy that home, that prospect doesn't do you much good. So an open house is a way to market a home, particularly in a gated neighborhood, but it also is a way to get prospects. So how do you set up an open house? Well, you definitely put a lot of lead-in arrows up. We usually put a sign. We determine which houses we're going to hold open on Tuesdays at our team meeting. Then on Wednesday, the yard sign goes up. Ours are usually open Sunday 2 to 4. So that's up, and anybody driving by is going to know that that property is going to be open and available for viewing Sunday 2 to 4. But then after 5, when the street crews are finished their work on Friday or on Saturday, we go and put lead-in arrows from the main intersection all the way to the house from every direction. It is not unusual for us to put up 10 or 12 lead-in arrows for an open house, because there's nothing worse than sitting in an open house all day and nobody comes by. It's hard for people to find the open house if you haven't put up your lead-in arrows to lead people to the property. Sometimes there will be a competitor's open house in the same neighborhood, and they will just take a hard right and never make it to your open house. So lead-in arrows are crucial for having an open house. Come by and visit us at our open house anytime. Thanks for watching my video. If you have a question that you want me to answer on my next video, just send it to me, Becky@BeckyIvins.com, or call my office, 722-3232. I look forward to hearing from you. Come by and see me at an open house sometime.